Hello. So in previous video we made an initial web server through Spring Boot that used to just error out when we hit on it. So let me just again show you the demo. So if we just go to 127.0.0.1:8080, oh sorry, let me just first run it. So when we will start our web server and we will just hit onto this URL, it will load a page that displays that it will error out. So today we will just make our first API that we will hit and will give you some response. So let me just close it. So at first we will just make a controller. So controllers are basically acceptors of a request, or you can say a bridge between your URL and the backend actual API that is going to run. So as of now, I will not just get into the technicalities, but we'll just see how we make controller. So I'll just create a separate package for them, controllers, and just make a new class. We will name it test controller. Okay, and controllers need to be annotated with @rest controller, and we will just make a method. Let's say void hello, and we will return something. If we are going to return something, then we will just as of now we'll make it string. So we are returning hello Odis. Okay, so we have made a method that returns a string, but the problem is that this particular service doesn't know when exactly to run this particular method, or it doesn't know if you are hitting this particular web server, how will it redirect, or when will it, or at what condition will it redirect to this particular hello method. So for that, Spring Boot itself provides, or we can say Spring Framework itself provides an annotation which makes tasks very easy, and that is request mapping. So in simple words, you can understand it as the request that the user of the web server is giving, and we are going to map it to this particular method. Here we will write, let's say, /hello. Now the slash itself determines the root of the web server. By saying root, I mean the base web server. So let me just run it with this slash itself. So I'm just using slash. That means whenever I'm hitting the root of the web server, or I can say the web server's address itself, it will return this. So let me just run it. Okay, let's see what it returns. It returned hello Odis, and you can see here it is slash. So that itself is the root, and here we can add a particular text or any path to this particular root. Let's say our path is hello, and just again run this, and now our initial root will again give you the error that you were supposed to have. Okay, so it hasn't run. Okay, run it. Yeah, it's the original error that we used to get, but now our function will execute at /hello. So we have made our first API /hello, or we can say hello API. When we hit into it, it will return me hello codies. So this is just the basics of a particular API, and we will get into more complex operations, what we can do with our API. So yeah, that's it.